Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program which results in class, cast, exception. Let me answer. You can either upcast an object to its parent class, or you can downcast an object from the upcasted parent class to the its class. That is a child class of the parent class. You can downcast. These two things you can generally do, upcasting and downcasting. But if you are trying to downcast a particular class related object into some other class which cannot be downcasted, in such kind of cases, okay, when downcasting is not possible, you are going to get this class cast exception. To understand the answer for this question in a better way, I am going to demonstrate this thing in a practical way. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and create a new class. Okay, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as, let's say, class 11 with main method I'll create. And here, once the class has been created with some main method here, I'll do one thing. I'll create few more classes in the same Java file. I'll just name this class as class animal class. Okay, I'll just create an animal class. I don't want to create any variables or methods. You can also create, guys, but I don't want to, focus on that. Okay, I just want to create some classes. It's optional whether you want to create some variables or methods inside these classes. That's fine. Here, one more class I'm creating, that is the dog class. And another class I'm going to create is nothing but the cat class, let's say. Okay, like this, I created some 3 classes. Now I'll make this dog class extends animal class. Okay. I'll also make this cat class extends animal class. Now, cat and dog are the child classes of the animal class. What if I create an object for the animal class? Animal is equal to new animal. There's no problem in this. Okay. You can create an object for the animal class and assign that to the variable or object reference of the same animal class. Similarly, you can also create an object for the dog class and create an object for the dog class and assign it to the object reference of the same dog class. Same level cast. There is no need of casting here. Okay. When you create an object for the same class and assign to the object reference of the same class, no casting is required at all. Here, cat is equal to new cat. Here also no casting is required because you are creating an object for the same class and assigning to the variable of the object reference of the same class. But what if I try to create an object for the child class? Let's say dog is one of the child class of the animal class, right? I create an object for the dog class and assign that to the object reference of the animal class. Okay, I'm going to assign that to the object reference of the animal class. This is okay. This is called as upcasting, guys. In upcasting is okay in Java, guys, where you can create an object for the child class and assign to the object reference of the parent class animal. Okay, that's fine. Once you have upcasted, there is a possibility of downcasting this animal object reference into the same dog class type with the help of downcasting. So what we have to do is we have to write animal here, and before the animal, have to downcast it. Okay, downcast it. Animal is a parent level. I have to downcast this object reference or object to the its child class level, that is a dog level. Okay, for that I'll write dog here, and here I'll say dog dog is equal to, like this I'll write. This is okay, guys. This is okay. You can downcast it. This is called as downcasting. Upcasted object can be downcasted to the same class again. Okay. Downcasting to the same class is possible. Here I'll write down system.out.println. End of this program. I'll write down. There will not be any problem, guys. End of this program will be printed. There will not be any exception because whatever the object class that you have upcasted, the same object class, you are downcasting it to the same level. So dog has been upcasted to the animal, and again the animal has been downcasted to the same dog. So that is not a problem. Upcasted object has been downcasted here without any problem. So if you run this code, end of this program will be successfully printed without any problem in the code. But what if while upcasting, I upcasted the dog class to the animal class, and while downcasting the animal, instead of downcasting that to the dog class, I would like to downcast to the another child class, that is cat. Okay, cat is equal to, like this. Error will not come here, guys. Okay, Java doesn't know that it's downcasting it to the wrong type. The upcasted dog class, okay, need to be downcasted to the same dog type, but here you are downcasting it to the another class, another child class of the animal class, which is not compatible. dog class object you cannot store into the cat class, right? So this casting, there is a problem in casting here, okay? Though Java is used to downcast the animal class into cat class also, but ultimate object that it is storing is a dog class object, which cannot be stored into the cat class, right? That's the problem. Here, downcasting may be possible if dog was there here, you are downcasting into the dog level. But here cat is another thing. So downcasting will fail here, and this kind of situation, right? Line 8 is going to give you an exception known as class cast exception. You cannot cast the class to the cat type. You have to cast the animal to the dog type only, but you cannot because the object that I'm storing into the animal is of dog type. So you can downcast only to the dog type, but not to the cat type. In such kind of cases, if you are not downcasting it correctly, the proper class type, then you are going to get this kind of exception known as class cast exception. Okay, class cast exception you will get because this is the wrong way of casting, guys. Even the Java allows here without any compiler error, but casting is not happening in a proper way. Such kind of situations where you are incorrectly downcasting the objects, okay, parent class objects to the child, okay, instead of downcasting it to the appropriate class types, if you are casting them to inappropriate classes, in such cases we are going to get this class cast exception. Okay, so hope guys you got an answer for the question with practical demonstration. I have shown you practically how to write a Java program which results in this class cast exception. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.